Super excited to partner with Bank of America and Charlotte Hornets, and we're here to celebrate Week of Service. And so we were excited to make sure that every single student yesterday at his open house had a book bag full of school supplies, courtesy of Classroom Central. Today, they packed over 1,000 toiletry bags full of brushes, toothpaste, toothbrushes, and supplies. So every single student that comes to Statesville Road will be able to have and be ready for class to start on Monday.
The greatest thing is that they provided stuff for students inside and outside the classroom. So it was a community effort, community involvement, and we kind of took care of the whole child and the whole family.
The Charlotte Hornets chose our school to do a week of service this year. Not only did they pack backpacks for our students, but they helped teachers around the building with last-minute things like getting bulletin boards together, creating packets for classrooms. They have been such a blessing.
Just being able to, to broadcast, hey, don't worry about school supplies. We got you covered. And the community came together with the Hornets and Bank of America and packed the book bag. So when they came at open house, it was like, they're coming in, what supplies do I need? Here you go, we got it all for you.
The tone that it has set for the beginning of the year is just a feeling of excitement. Again, when I told the teachers, they were so excited. It always feels good when someone is here to want to do for our school community.